Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I just wanted to throw up a video for you going over some of the expectations for your Unit 1 test. Now today was not a scheduled Zoom meeting, so you guys are completing your practice FRQ independently. But I am available, so if you're watching this during class time, if you need me for anything or have any questions, just feel free to reach out and let me know. And if you want to meet me on Zoom, I can certainly set that up as well. So your Unit 1 test is coming up. A day you will be testing on Tuesday, September 15th, and then B day you're going to be testing on Wednesday, the 16th. So we've got 2 days next week dedicated to testing, and then we will roll into Unit 2 next Thursday and Friday. So what to expect for your test. So there are no multiple choice questions on your Unit 1 test. Part of that is just it's easier to kind of gauge your learning through FRQs, and also we need to kind of practice those FRQs as well. Now, when we make it back to the building and we are together in class, we'll transition to having more multiple choices on our tests, but for now, your tests are going to be 3 FRQ questions. So this first one will not have any multiple choice in it. Your multiple choice practice for your AP test will be those personal progress checks that you are completing on AP Classroom. So the tests themselves will be just 3 FRQ questions. So because there's 3 FRQs, you will have a 70-minute time limit. So that's a little bit more than 22 minutes for each FRQ. So you'll have a little bit, like 4 minutes of leeway there. They need to be completed on test day, so I will give you the access code when you guys come to Zoom. So you'll log into Zoom and you will get your access code. I'll try to get that up really quick. And I just want to check in with you to make sure you don't have any questions the day of the test. So as long as you guys don't have any questions, you can just log in, get your attendance, get your code, and then you'll have the rest of the class period to do your test. And again, it just needs to be completed on test day. If you have some kind of conflict where you can't take it, just email me and let me know, and because we'll have to open it back up. So when you take your test, once you open it and start it, don't navigate away from Canvas because it records what you're doing. Obviously, I know I'm not there with you. I'm not going to make you be on Zoom. I can monitor you through the DY No, it still works. And also I can see what you're doing through Canvas. So I'm just asking that you be as honest as possible. Obviously, I can't control what you do on your cell phones, but part of the reason of having FRQs as your test questions too, it just adds another level of security to your test because you do have to be able to explain yourself so you know what you're talking about. But for the most part, I'm just this is an honor system. I'm trusting you not to cheat. I can't be there and walk through it with you and hold your hands. So, I'm trusting you. You guys are AP kids. Like, I'm trusting you to take your learning into your own hands and be honest about this. And then if you have any questions about that, you can send me an email, a remind, a text, whatever, however you want to get into contact with me. Again, if you're watching this during class time on Friday or Monday, I am available. So if you want to get on Zoom with me, I will be there. So just let me know. And again, we're testing Tuesday and Wednesday. Your assignments are due Monday evening at midnight, along with that personal progress check. And your species interaction posters due next Friday, and then your summer assignment the following Monday. So just keep in mind this stuff is coming up, but you're definitely going to want to be preparing for this test and at least reviewing your notes. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. And if not, happy studying, and I will talk to you guys very soon.